Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question 25 of the most common disability hearing questions that you will likely come across in a child-based Social Security disability hearing. Hey, let's go into this. 25, does the child take care of any pets? What type of pet is it? How large is the pet? Is the pet specially trained for the child? Does the child have particular duties with the pet? Is the child consistently able to do those duties? Is the child forgetful? Do you have to constantly work with the child and the pet? Do you do most of the functions with the pet because the child is incapable of doing them? Be ready to answer questions related to that. Okay. My name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. Remember to like, subscribe, leave 5-star reviews, and I donate 2 hours every Thursday, 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on YouTube. Want to catch up with me then and ask me some questions? Go for it. I'll be live. I'll catch you a little bit later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.